How to unplug and store your Miimo Robotic lawnmower for winter storage. The following video will guide you through the process of unplugging and storing your Honda Miimo for winter storage. You will need work gloves, a cleaning cloth, a plastic brush, a waterproof box, and electrical contact cleaner to complete this task. It is recommended that you disconnect the transformer and power cables for winter storage. The boundary wire can be left in the ground. Encase the boundary wire terminals in a waterproof box to protect them over the winter period. Spray electrical contact cleaner on the boundary wire terminals. Remove the docking station and transformer and store them indoors. Store all electrical components in a dry, frost-free environment, protected from the winter weather.